Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying support. Check that your phone and plan include the same 5G bands and provisioning. This prevents chasing phantom issues. Next, update Android and carrier settings because patches often fix modem bugs. Once done, toggle airplane mode to force the radio stack to restart. This clears transient registration errors. If you have dual SIMs, temporarily remove the secondary SIM to reduce conflicts. That narrows diagnostics and speeds up the next steps. Now dig into network settings. Set preferred network to 5G/4G automatic so your phone negotiates the best connection without forcing band mismatch. If problems persist, reset network settings to restore sane defaults. This wipes APNs and saved Wi-Fi but usually resolves misconfigurations. For power users, use engineering menus or dialer codes to inspect cell band locks and signal strength. Only adjust if you understand bands. Make sure no VPNs or proxies are interfering. Finish by reinserting the SIM and asking your carrier for a provisioning refresh. They can push correct settings or re-register your IMS for VO LTE and 5G. If nothing else works, perform a modem reset or factory reset as a last resort. Back up first because you will lose local data. Finally, test in multiple locations to confirm whether this is device or tower related. If still failing, provide your carrier with band, cell ID, and speed logs so they can escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.